Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Subscribe for daily technical analysis. We are seeing some beautiful movements in the market as to be expected. We have seen this coming for weeks and weeks now. Simply because volume has been tapering down. Sellers have been tapering down as well, to where they haven't pushed the price lower because no sellers are stepping in to do so. So what does that lead the charts to do? It leads it to go in one direction, and that is sky high. Now, we have seen some this is a confirmation candle. All right, this is very bullish, and I'm going to go over in this video what we need to watch on Dogelon Mars in order to average in, or where to look to average out at, and also on Bitcoin, because we have broken these $45,000 levels and we are looking like we're holding above it. So we broke through them very well. All right, as it's accumulating, boom, we saw a major spike. Now we need to hold above these for 1, 2, 3, and then one more day in order to confirm we are in a reversal pattern in the markets. All right, this is very bullish. Our next sign on the overall markets will be, or our next resistance. There's one there. There's one here. So we got to check these 48,700 levels. We got to check these 51,500 levels. All right. So that will also leave Dogelon Mars to push up to these 12s. Literally said this last video. I literally said we're going to be in the 12s in no time. Okay? Go check the last video. Boom. We got to check this. And we got to check these. Okay? This is where we're headed. We're heading up, and we're going to go there very fast because it happens within a few days. So we got to stay tuned. If you guys don't know really what you're doing and you have a lot of money in the markets, then keep watching these videos, because I'm going to provide major value to you guys whenever we need to average out, because that's probably the most important thing. A lot of us are holding bags, okay? But if you don't know how to average out, then holding will not make you the most amount of money possible. But that's what Crypto Billionaire 69 is here for. I'm here to help you do so, to average out at the top. So stay tuned for these videos. All right, moving forward today. Yesterday we wanted to see this candle close above the previous red candle, the previous low, and it clearly did so. We saw a little bit of retracement in the beginning of the day, and then it closed way above it and showing strong buying pressure. We saw this big candle to the upside. We're currently retracing, okay? We're going to go down to these 4-hourly candles. So we had a little spike up to here. We are currently still making higher lows. It's very bullish. Still making higher lows, as we can tell. We want to see a little push higher than these 11s within the next 8 hours. Boom, push higher, and then we'll come up to here. So once we hit these 12s, we're probably going to see some selling pressure. Okay, and the max we want it to come down to is these 10s. If it decides to retrace, which it could and it could not, it just depends on the overall market. We're going to go ahead and just look up the crypto fear and greed index, because it's definitely heading towards the green. See, we're in greed territory, all right? This is the first time we've been in greed in a while. So we wanted to stay above these neutral and into the greed areas, okay? We are still in the yellow. We will be approaching these greens as Bitcoin heads up to these $50,000 levels. So, we just need to be very patient because this is nothing, okay? This move is nothing. It's expected, all right? We're not even broken past the previous all-time highs. Now, those of you who have been following along in the Patreon, you would have gotten around these initially these 6.2s, okay? The second dip, he would have gotten in around these 6.4s. So, congratulations, because you're in profit right now. If you're interested in joining the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alert to help you get out at the top, I'll leave the link in the description, so go check it out. There are limited spots. I opened 3 yesterday, and I believe 2 of them got bought up. So go check it out. There might be only 1 left. Okay. This is what we're looking at. So we want to see today push above these 1089 levels. Bada bing, bada boom. If we break through this is a very steep upward trend line. If we break through the downside, then we have a support around these 970s. Preferably, we have a support around these 986s. We don't want it to drop lower than this wick here. If it holds above this wick, it's very bullish. If it holds above this, it's very bullish as well. However, it's more bullish if we hold above this. And the most bullish is if we just keep following this trend line higher. So, as you can see, these 12 levels are the next point of major resistance. We have another little bit of resistance here at these 1150s. We are currently breaking through these 10 level major resistance, which is very, very nice. So within the next week, if everything goes as planned, we will be, we're going to be back up to these 12 levels in no time. I said this a couple videos. I've been saying this for a couple videos. I hope now that we've seen the price action that it kind of like jolts you guys into wanting to make money, because don't be greedy. This is the biggest thing, is don't have emotion, because whenever you get emotional, then the money will not be made. Okay. Now you can get lucky. But you can't get lucky for the rest of your life. And we're in this. This is my goal for my channel, and this coin, okay? All of you guys watching, for some reason, somehow, you're on this video watching right now, okay? So take this as a sign to pay close attention to what I'm about to say. This coin, this is here for you to learn, okay? We're going to make a lot of money on this coin, but you have to be receptive to learn. If you learn everything that you can from this coin, then for the rest of your life, you will be able to make money in these markets. All right? But you got to take it serious. Now, it could take a month in order for us to see a major spike. It could take 3 months, okay? Biggest thing is, in those 3 months, show up, be consistent, watch these videos, join the Patreon, because once it's over, we've made our money and we're out of the coin, you're going to be extremely happy, but you'll also have the knowledge in order to do this over and over and over. You won't need me. If you're watching this video and you really don't know what's going on, then take this as a sign to take that step forward to know what's going on. Alright? Because if you don't know, then, I'm only here as a crutch. I'm only helping you for a limited amount of time. Now, I will always be here daily, okay? But I won't be going over the coins you say you might be investing in, okay? I'm just going over Dogelon Mars until we get a nice little spike. So, that being said, I assume that most of you guys watching at these 10:35 minute are very serious about your trading. And I have a good feeling that all of you guys that can hear my voice right now are going to be very successful because you're patient, you're not ignorant, and you're open to learning. So, right now we just got to hold, we got to be very patient, and we got to stay emotionless because we're going to see some major moves, okay? It's just imminent, and the main thing is to not be emotional, not be greedy, and we will get out at the right time, and we will know when the right time is. I will know when the right time is, and I will let you know when the right time to get out is. Okay, I've done this numerous times before, okay? Over and over and over without fail. Because I use a very, very simple strategy that teaches you how to get in at the bottom and how to get in out at the top, okay? That's why we've gotten in at the bottom this whole time, all right? Every single bottom we've gotten in at. My current average is around these 6.4 levels. Because I got in around these 6.2s and I got in around these 6.4s. So, Crypto Billionaire 69. I will keep you guys updated on everything that's going on in the markets. We're looking very bullish right now. The biggest thing is I don't want you guys to make the mistakes that I did when I first started, okay? You don't have to make the mistakes I did. Mistakes like holding for too long or selling too early. Mistakes like selling on the dip and then watching it spike because you thought you could get a better price, okay? That's just greedy, okay? That's just greedy. You're trying to pick pennies out of the charts, and it's going to get you back, and it gets you back every time, okay? Just little dumb mistakes that I've made that I'll teach you. So, my friends, follow along. We're in for a major ride in the future. It's going to be insane, all right? Absolutely insane. We have not even started yet. So, Crypto Billionaire 69. I will catch you guys in the next video. I hope you guys are doing great. Stay emotionless because we have a trip to Mars. The rocket is fueling. And once it is fueled, we will see some major action moving past this previous all-time high. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.